Okay. What are the three things I told you, students, in linear inequation? What are the three things we need? Linear inequation. Yes, respond. They'll tell you to solve. Yes, right. They'll give you a question. You have to solve that and you need to find solution set and number line. You have to plot it on the number line. And all the rules I had explained. Okay, solve solution set and number line. Next question. Which one I had given for homework? For homework, did I send any question? What else? I forgot. Why don't you all? Nobody asked students. At least you could have sent a message, right? I remember. I told I'll send it here. Nobody asked. I forgot. Okay, fourth question. Look at the fourth one. I'll solve all of you first. Concentrate, students. Concentrate here. 3x minus 5 less than 6 is greater than 1 by 2. And x belongs to, they've given certain number. Instead of saying x belongs to real number, natural whole number, they've given certain values 0, 1, 2, up to 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, Abigail, even today you're late. 11:40. Okay, I joined at 11:38. Fine. Yesterday's class, did you go through yesterday? You were absent. Linear inequation. Know all the rules? Okay, fine. Look at this, students. Denominator is given 6 and 2. So what do? You either take LCM or just cross multiply. When you're cross multiplying, what kind of value 6 and 2? Positive or negative? Both are positive, right? 6 and 2 both are positive. So the sign doesn't change. Sign doesn't change. Multiply to this side like this. Is greater than remains as it is 1 into 6. So what do you get when you open the bracket? 3 twos are 6 is greater than 6. Again 6x minus 10 goes to the other side. So addition subtraction the sign never changes. Greater than 6 plus 10. There are three ways to do this. I'll teach you all three. You can do it in any way. Whenever there is denominator. This is the first one. Next, x is greater than 6 plus 10 is 16. What number are we dividing? Positive or negative number? Yeah, the sign again it doesn't change. X is greater than, if you reduce it, 2 8s are 16. You can use 2 8s are 2 3s are 8 divided by 3. How much is 8 divided by 3, students? 3 2s are 6. 2 point. It goes on, right? 2.66. So x is greater than 2.6. It goes on. So which side is the arrow facing towards, students? Left or right? Right hand side after 2.6, which means you shouldn't take 2. Which number you have to take? 3. So the solution set 3, 4, 5, 6. Whatever they've given, apart from the whatever value they've given, write that 3, 4, 5, 6. Draw a number line. Yeah, tell me. Greater than 2.6. After 2.6, what you have? 2.7, 2.8, 2.9, and 3, right? I didn't take 2 here. Have I taken 2 here? No. If I taken 2, then that is wrong. You can start from 3. This is the answer, students. 3, 4, 5, 6. Number line. Completed. Okay, I forgot. I told you there are three methods. Just a minute. Just a minute. Don't write. How many denominators are given here? Only one denominator, right? Yeah, both the sides we have only one students. If only one denominators are there, you can cross multiply. If there are more than one, okay, complete this. Complete. I'll tell you. Is Angel online? Island, Angel, Delicia. Turn on the video, students. Abigail, Bhargavi. Yeah, keep it on. Why Angel is not? Okay, Bhargavi, not Bhargavi. Abigail, Priya, Angel. What about Island? Okay, fine. So start writing, students. Solve the question. Be quick. So easy chapter. Within 3 to 4 days, you have to complete. So once I complete, you can start solving from your textbook. You take Selena and solve four or five questions from linear inequation chapter. Okay. All of you completed? Fine. 2.6 students. Look at 2.6. The other way to do this is where students go wrong. Mostly this LCM part. 2.6 is what we got. Next thing, 3x minus 5, like this. Concentrate here. Whenever we have single value students, you can cross multiply. Before that, you can even reduce it. Check whether you can reduce. 2 ones, how many times 2 goes in this? 2 threes are right. 2 threes are the reason. Look here. If x divided by 6 is greater than 2 is given, student. Sorry, 1 by 2. Imagine there's a number like this. If you shift 6 to the other side, x is greater than 6 divided by 2. Anyways, you have to reduce it, cancel. 2 ones are, 2 threes are. Right? In the same way, 2 ones are, 2 threes are you can reduce it and you can later cross multiply. So once you reduce, you have only 1 on the left hand side. Shift this 3. 3 ones are 3. You get 3x minus 5. Minus 5 goes to the other side, 8. You get x is greater than 8 divided by 3. It's the same. Okay, you can directly shift it or reduce it and later you can cross multiply. The next one is LCM. 3x minus 6 greater than 1 by 2. We have two denominator, students, left hand side, right hand side, it doesn't matter. Take LCM for both the numbers. This is the third method. Take LCM. 2 ones are 2 3. What's the LCM we got? 6. When you get 6, multiply 6 on both the sides. Okay, we're going to get the same value. Multiply 6 on both the sides. If you multiply this 6 and 6 gets cancelled, right? How many times 2 gets cancelled? 2 ones are 2. 3 is what is left? 3x minus 6, not 6, 5, right? 3x minus 5 next is greater than 3 ones are 3. You can even do it like this. Okay, so these are the methods. X is greater than, and after that it's the same student. Write the solution set, plot the number line. You all try the fifth question. No, not the fifth. Yeah, fifth question. Is the question visible? Try the fifth question, students. Yes, Amy, why are you late, Amy? Yes, I remember. Okay, every day it's at the same time, right? 11:30. Start solving. Try the fifth question, Amy. Yeah, open the bracket, students. Open the bracket and arrange. First, copy the question. I'll write it. Keep solving. Try the fifth one. Next, minus. Multiply 4 inside, students, along with minus. Open the bracket. Okay, I will insert. 4 is outside. Then we'll try the eighth one, 11. So as of now, we are solving only one question, so one greater than equal to symbol. After this, you'll have two symbols. You have to split into two parts and solve. Complete this. 0.6. Okay, let me check. What about others? Completed? Okay, shall I solve, students? All of you are done? Priscilla done? Malavika, Angel, all of you are completed? Bhargavi? Okay, let me take 7x minus. If you multiply minus 4 into 3 is minus 12, students. And minus 4 into minus x. Along with the sign you need to multiply. Minus 4x. Symbol remains as it is. Equation, inequation sign. 3 twos are 6x. Minus 6. 3 twos are 6. 3 fives are 15. Arrange all the x and x to one hand side when y to the, numbers to the other side. Which is greater, 4 or 6? Which one did you all shift? All of you all respond. Which one did you all shift? 6. Okay. See, there is 4, 7 and 4, students. 7 plus 4, 11x. If 6 goes to the other side, inequation sign doesn't change. Minus 6x. Minus 15. Minus 12 this side plus 12. 11 minus 6 is 5x greater than equal to, what's the value? Minus 3. X is greater than equal to minus 3 divided by 5. So minus 3 is given. 3 is lesser than 5, students. Don't write 5 inside and divide. 3 outside, 5 is greater. 0.6 is the answer. And we have minus. All of you got minus or plus? Minus 0.6. Okay. Where is the arrow? See, if you don't focus on this arrow, definitely you'll get confused. Which side is the arrow facing? Right hand side. It is going towards the right hand side. So after 0.6, minus 0.6, where does minus 0.6 lie? In between which two numbers? Very good. 0 and 1, right? 0 and minus. It lies between 0 and minus 1. 0.6. So if it goes, arrow is facing towards the right hand side, which means you need to take after 0, all the values. Is it clear? All of you understood? Yeah, it lies in between 0. Sorry, you should even take 0.6, student. Is equal to is given, right? I missed out that. Can you see is equal to sign? So you need to take 0.6, 0 minus 0.6, 0, 1, 2, 3. So write minus 1 here, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, just for reference, 4 and F. But when you're plotting the answer, where does 0.6 lie in between? Minus 1 and 0. Not like this. Mention 0.6. Keep a point. Completed, just a minute. The students done? All of you understood? See, for reference, I've just taken minus 1 and 4. Okay, just you can, if you want, you can write or ignore that. Minus 1. No, you need to write minus 1 because we have 0.6 and just keep dots here. Only up to 3 you have to keep dots. Shall we try the next one? Oh. For MCQ, they give you questions like this. For 1 mark, they won't ask number line. They'll just tell you to find the value of x. They'll give you an equation, tell you to find the value of x. Done? Shall we try the next one? Calculation is important even if one thing goes wrong, student. For example, if you haven't written minus here, if you have taken only 0.6, your solution set also will be wrong. For 0.6, you wouldn't have written these two values. If your solution set is wrong, number line also goes wrong. So if it is 3 marks, you'll just get 1 or 1.5 marks. That's it. Okay, next question. Eighth question. We'll do the eighth, 11th one you can try. Eighth question. 3 divided by 5x minus 2x minus 1 is greater than 1. X belongs to what, students? What is given? X belongs to? Eighth question, eighth one. I, right? I stands for what? Integer. Divided. X belongs to integer. This is the question. So now you can't cross multiply. We need to take LCM. Total how many denominators are there? So how many values are there? All of you respond. We have 5 here, 3, right? And right hand side, what do we have? We have 1. LCM, you can take it however you want. So I would suggest take LCM for all 3. What's the LCM you get? For 5 and 3? What's the LCM? 15, right? Both are 15. So this 3x, students, 3x by 5, multiply 15 all the 3 sides. 15 into 2x minus 1 divided by 3 greater than 15 into 1. Don't write it. Don't write. This is one way of taking LCM. You can take LCM, multiply 15. Okay, the other one is, look at 3x minus 2x minus 1 divided by 3 and 5 greater than 1. You can take LCM only on the left hand side. You get 15. You can even do it like this. 15. How many times 15 goes? In 5. All of you respond. Into 3, right? And here what should I multiply? Into 5. So you get 3 3s are 9x. This 5, write it in the beginning like this. 2x minus 1 greater than 1. See, starting, concentrate, students. All these are, this is where students go wrong. These are the silly mistakes they do. Next, this 15 will go to the other side, get multiplied. 15, 9x, minus 5 into 2x is minus 10x. Minus into minus is plus, 5 ones are 5. Then you can arrange it. There's no denominator. First thing, eliminate the denominator. If denominator goes, it is easy to solve. Like this. The other side, left hand side, you can even do it like this. Multiply 15 for all 3 sides. Reduce it. 5 ones are 5 threes are. 3 ones are 3 fives are. When you open the bracket, you get 9x minus 10x minus 5 is greater than 15. Are we getting the same equation both the sides? So do it however you want it. LCM you can even multiply or just take left hand side LCM, shift it to the right hand side. Complete it. Find the value of x, students. X should be positive. 15. Okay. Less than or greater than, Ruth? What is it? Greater than. Let me check. How can it be greater? Sign would have changed, right? Okay, let me check. 9x minus 10x. How much is 9x minus 10x, students? Minus. How is it 16, Ruth? 5 goes to the other side and becomes 10, right? Right. So minus 1x is greater than 15. I mean greater than 20. It should be positive. What happens to minus 1? It gets divided, right? What happens to the sign? Greater than sign becomes less. So it becomes 20 divided by minus 1. It shouldn't be, denominator shouldn't be negative. Shift this minus 1 to the numerator. The answer is x is less than 20. This is the concept of inequality. In inequality, when you divide or multiply by negative numbers, the sign will change. Greater than becomes less than. Is this clear? All of you understood how to solve? Response, students. Minus 20. So what do you mean by less than symbol? Which side is the arrow facing? Left hand side or right hand side? Left hand side. Should I consider minus 20 or should I start from minus 19? It should be from minus 19. If it's traveling left hand side, what's the other number, students? Minus 18, minus 17. And x belongs to what? What is given here? X belongs to I, right? I meaning is, what does I stand for? Yes, all of you will respond. I stands for integer, right? I stands for integer. Minus 16. And there are so many numbers. Minus 15, minus 13. Is it possible to write all the numbers? No. So I just write 4 numbers. Minus 19, 18, 17, 16. After that, just keep dots, student. Just keep dots like this. This shows indefinite numbers. X belongs to minus 20, indefinite. Minus 19, 18, 17, 16, and keep 3 or 4 dots. Draw the number line. Minus 19, minus 18, minus 17, minus 16. And those dots should be drawn top. Look at the dots should be represented top like this. Completed? All of you are done? 16. Okay, so this part I'll show you. If you have done, look at the screen, student. This minus 1, this calculation part, left hand side. You don't have to make it complicated like this. Okay, look at this. 9x minus 10x. How much is 9x minus 10x? All of you respond minus 1x, right? If you have minus 1x, just keep it as minus x. Shift minus 15. The sign doesn't change. 15 plus 5 is 20. Just a minute. See, this minus is given, students. Minus x should always be positive. So what you do, if you're shifting this minus to the other side, sign will change. X greater than becomes less than. Minus goes to the other side. 5 plus 15 is 20. Okay. It is just x. If x was less than 20, we should have written even 20 here. Okay, we should have started with minus 20. Shall we try the next question? Done? Okay, next. I want you all to try this last 11th one. After that, see, until the 11th one, is there any dates mentioned here? Is any date mentioned? No, right? So none of these questions had come for board exam students. This is just for practice. Okay, for you all to get practice LCM, we'll try the last 11th one. From 17th, look at the 12th question. All these are important. How many equations are given here? Less than symbol in 12th question. All of you respond. Two symbols, right? See, everything has two symbols, students. You take any previous year question, it has two symbols like this, which means it is two questions. We need to do two parts, two calculation parts. We'll do that later. Try this last one, 7th one, 11th one. Copy this question, 5x. I told you you can cross multiply. 3 greater than equal to 4x minus 7. X belongs to real number. This is the question. Try this. I'll tell you how to plot number line for real number and how to write solution set. See, you can't reduce 3 and 2 students. You can't reduce them, so just cross multiply. Complete this. What's the answer, students? What did you all get? Nobody got the answer? See, 2.5 or 1.5, anything. I need that equation less than or greater than. What is it? Okay, less than or greater than. That is important. 2.5 is fine. Greater than. Greater than is wrong, I think. Okay, let me check. Yeah, if you tell both, in exam will you show both the calculation? No, right? Okay, let me see. Even I don't know, students. I'll check. Let me see. See, in the question it is given greater than equal to. How do I solve this question? Which one I have to shift? If 12 goes to the other side, becomes minus 12. Are we dividing anything or multiplying? No, right? So the sign doesn't change. Minus 21 plus 16. How much is minus 21 plus 16? Minus 5. Yes, minus 5. Here, what do you get? Minus 2x. Yes. Tell me the answer, students. Minus 2x. Which one you're going to shift? I just need x. What happens to minus 2 if it goes to the other side? What plus? You're dividing it, Bhargavi. Minus 5 divided by minus 2. What happens to the sign? What happens to the sign? Yes? Yes, Bhargavi. Bhargavi to Abigail. Yeah, tell me, Abigail. 12. No, no. Minus 2, students. Minus 2. If you bring it down, what happens to sign now? Are we dividing a negative number or a positive? Yeah. The number is positive or negative? Negative number. Okay. It becomes less than equal to. See, here you might have got confused if is equal to sign was there. See, that's the reason, students, you all may think it is a easy chapter. If it is so easy, why will they give it for 10th? It is not that easy as you all think. Students make lot of mistake while changing the sign. If equal to is given, we could have just cancelled it out, right? We would have written it like this. Sorry, x is equals to 5 divided by 2. Whenever equal to is given, that was easy concept. Until 7th, 8th, you studied that. Lesser than greater than symbol is given. When you divide this minus 2, sign will change. Now you can cancel minus and minus. 5 divided by 2. How much is 5 divided by 2? 2.5. And x belongs to what kind of number is that? X belongs to R. R stands for real number. For real number, I'll tell you how to write the solution set. Solution set is, unlike other things, students, real number will have decimal and even negative number. Positive, negative, even decimal. So you can't write the answer less than. You can't take 2.5 and the arrow is traveling left hand side. You can't write like this. Okay. This is not the way to write. You can write direct answer only for these four things. Whole numbers, integer, natural numbers. Okay, Z is also integer. Only when X belongs to, if they tell X belongs to these three, four types, you can write your answer like this. Direct answer. But if it is real number, yeah, keep this in mind. If not, they'll reduce marks. For board exam, you won't get full marks. If it is real number, it's very simple. It's very easy to write. Just write x such that x, copy this. X such that x less than 2.5, comma, write this. X belongs to real number. Number line. All of you understood how to write the solution set? Is it clear? Okay, now number line is important. For number line, it arrow is towards left hand side. 2.5 is given. 2.5 lies between 3 and 2. Just for reference, write 3 students. 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. Take up to minus 2, that is enough. And indefinite values. It goes on, right? So 2.5 is given. Draw a line like this, 2.5. 3 is just for reference, right? 2.5 here. For real number, you need to draw a line, not dots. Don't keep dots. You need to draw a line. So start the line here, end it up to this arrow. Look, this arrow. This is how you represent real numbers. If it was other than real number, if it was integer, look at, I'll tell you how to represent integer. You write same 3, 2, 1, 0. But for integer, you keep dots, students. You keep dots like this. Also here we represent dot. Dot like this. See, this is the difference between integer and real number. If it was integer, the blue one, the dots represent indefinite numbers. But in real number, look at the arrow, the green one which I have drawn. It should touch up to this last point. It should touch up to the last point. Okay, you can just draw a thick line. In your pen, just draw a thick line where 2.5 is given. Don't keep dots here. See, if you keep dots here, it is wrong. Okay, line. I'll tell you when to. You have to draw a line like this, indefinite. Now 2.5 is given, right? 2.5. Whenever is equal to symbol is given, just draw one solid line like this. Because is equal to is also given, one dark circle like this. This is the final answer. Is it clear? All of you understood? This is very important. Most of the questions are real number, students. Complete this. I'll give break. After that, we'll start the other two. Yes, Bhargavi. Till 1. Okay, today started a bit late. Yes, I will. Previous question. Okay, what is your doubt? Previous one was already done. I've erased it. Were you there in the meeting or you left when I was teaching? Yeah. X was less than minus 20, right? Negative. What did I take? Oh, minus 1918 I had taken. Solution set. Oh, then it was wrong. Send me that pic, Island. Have you written it? You didn't. Okay, complete this. Yeah, why didn't you ask previously? Yes, I realize now. I wrote minus 20. I took 19, 18, 17, right? Okay, that was wrong. Fine. Okay, complete this, students. Yes, that part was wrong. Write this. Just because less than equal to was given, I've taken 2.5. If it was just less than 2.5, we should start from 2. 2, 1, 0. Arrow is traveling left hand side. All of you all completed? Done? Okay. Okay, take 6 to 7 minutes break, students. We'll continue at 12:40. After break, I'll do the previous question. Okay, we'll continue, students. It got late. All of you online? Okay, next question. We'll do the next one. 11th one is done. Previously, Island, tell me the value. What was the previous question, student? This is the answer we got, right? Tell me the question. Okay, previous one, 8th one. 3 by 5x minus greater than 1. X belongs to integer. Okay, this is the previous question. All of you look at the answer. How did you solve, Island? Tell me. Respond. Hmm, okay. 15, right? So I'll just multiply into 15, students. Here into 15 and this side into 15. If you cancel, you get 3 3s are 9x minus 5 into 2x minus 1 greater than 15. 9x minus 5 2s are 10x. Minus into minus is plus 5 is greater than 15. Next. Correct. 1 minute. 5 is okay. Then what mistake we did last time when I solved? What mistake I did? What was that? Don't know. Okay. Fine. 9x minus 10x is how much? Minus x 15. We have 15 here. 5 goes to the yes. 5 goes to the other side, it becomes 10. What happens to sign? Greater than becomes less than. 15 minus 5 is 10, students. Less than 10. Less than minus 10. Okay, all of you will make a note. The previous one calculation was wrong. I don't know where I made some mistake. Can you tell me where we went wrong? Plus minus sign. Oh, I written 10x minus, fine, fine. 10x minus plus 5, students. Minus 5 into minus 1 is plus 5. Okay, now left hand side, how do you write solution set for this? For integer, how do you write? Minus 10 is given. Start from minus 9, students. Sorry, not minus 10, 11, 11. Correct. See, for example, I'll take minus 10. If it is left hand side, negative numbers, what do you get after minus 10? Minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, right? It goes like this. We don't have to write minus 10 here. Start from minus 11. Which one? Plus 5. Which one, Ruth? You're asking this plus 5. When you open the bracket, what do you get? Minus into plus is minus 10x, right? Fine. Then minus 5 into minus 1. Minus into minus is plus. 5 ones are 5. Clear? Is it clear? Okay. Take from minus 11, students. Minus 11 and infinite numbers. Left hand side, it is going towards left. So even I made a mistake. Minus 11, 12. Keep dots, 3 dots. Number line will be the same. Minus 11, minus 12, minus 13. Dot should be on top. See, some textbook they give answer like this. Some will write answer like this: minus 11, minus 12, minus 13. Both are correct. Okay, but I write according to the number line. Everything goes on to the left hand side. So both are correct. Completed? Okay, only this was the mistake. Instead of plus 5, written minus 5 and 20. Yes, Kia. Another 5 minutes, still one. Okay, every day 1.5 hours students. Where by the time you'll join, it becomes 10 minutes late. Only few students join on time. Then in between 10 minutes break. So classes are hardly for 1 hour 10 minutes students. 15-20 minutes is gone. Every day 11:30 to 1 o'clock. Completed? All of you are done? Don't write this 11 to. And which section ma'am did? Kia and Abigail same class? How did ma'am write it students? How did they write solution set? Like this? Do you all remember? No? You all don't remember? Okay, fine. How do you write solution set for this students? Greater than is given. Which side is the arrow facing? It is going towards right hand side. Right hand side, what do we have? If you take after minus 10, what you get? Yes. Minus 9, minus 8. See, number line goes like this. If you have 10 here, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, it goes, you get 0, 1, 2, 3. Left hand side, you get minus 11, minus 12. So the arrow is facing towards right hand side. You need to take numbers after minus 10. It is minus 9, minus 8, minus 7. Write it in this order: minus 9, minus 8, minus 7. Okay. Now one question where there are two equations. Look at this question. Minus 3 less than 2x minus 1 is less than x plus 4. X belongs to integer. X belongs to I. The 5 minutes. I'll just complete this. I'll give two questions for homework. Okay, how many less than signs are there, students? How many inequation signs are there? Yes, all of you will respond. Concentrate. This is what you get for board exam. The previous whatever you solved is only MCQ based. There are two inequation. So this means it has two questions. See, till this inequation sign, this is one question. Write it separately. Minus 3 less than 2x minus 1. Next. This part forms another equation. 2x minus 1 less than x plus 4. This is how we have to split it. Look at the way I have split the question. Understood how to split? Before 1 less than symbol, we have two values, right? Look at the yellow one, students. Yellow and the other one. The other question is these two values. These two. Is it clear? All of you understood? Now, if you solve this, don't write. Let me solve. If you solve this, minus 3 minus 1 goes to the left hand side, plus 1 less than 2x. You get minus 2 less than 2x. We are going to divide positive numbers. Sign remains as it is. Minus 2. What do you get? Minus 1 less than x. Right hand side, if you solve second equation, what do you all get, students? 2x minus x less than 4. Minus 1 goes to the other side, plus 1. 2x minus 1x is, x is 1x, x less than 5. Is this clear? So how many number lines, how many x values are there, students? How many values we got for x? Two values, right? We have two values. This we need to merge into single value. Look here, we need to merge. Keep this in mind. That's this one, number line. In number line we have 0. Where is negative number? Left hand side or right hand side? Left hand side. Where are positive numbers? Right. We need to merge both the values in such a way that negative numbers should be on the left hand side. Negative number should be on the left hand side. Look here. Minus 1 less than x as it is. This, if you merge, students, if you merge, already there is x. Just write this together. This is the equation. We've got the solution similar to the question. So when solving split into two parts, the final answer should be merged together. The solution set for this, minus 1 is given. X lies in between. X lies in between minus 1 and 5. So you need to take 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the solution set. Okay. The value of x lies in between minus 1. So you can't take minus 1, start from 0. And less than 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 4. This is the answer. Make a note, number line I'll teach tomorrow. All of you understood how to solve? Is it clear? Okay. I'll give two questions, students. Split while you're writing. Okay, write the solve the question separately, merge together, write the solution. This is the final answer. So when there are two questions, number line is bit complicated. I'll teach all tomorrow. We'll continue tomorrow. All of you are done, completed? Solution set. Copy the question. Copy the question properly. Okay, if all of you have done, take these two questions to, yes. Who's still writing? Be quick. Leave three lines, students, 3 or 4 lines. Number line I'll teach tomorrow. How to draw number line for this. Done? Okay. I want you all to try the 13th question and 14th. All of you will mark 13th and 14th. Try this for homework, split into two parts. Copy the 13th and 12th students. Be quick. Yeah, 13th and 14th one. 13th and 14th. Those are normal questions. For board exam, this 28th, 26th, wherever dates are mentioned, for all these questions, you need to take LCM. All are LCM based questions. So solve the inequation, write the solution set, represent it on number line. Number line, we'll do it tomorrow. Completed, all of you done? 13 and 14? 2 plus 4x less than 2x minus 5 less than 3x belongs to I. 2 less than equal to x. Okay, just last thing, student. How do you split the 13th one? Tell me that, we'll end the class. How do you split the 13th into two questions? All of you look at the screen. Respond. 2x plus 4x less than 2x minus 5. Till here, this is one question. Which is the other one? Look at the other less than symbol. Left hand side, what do we have? Left hand side. Yes, 2x minus 5. Right hand side, 3x. That's it, 3x. That is x belongs to integer. These are the two questions. Write it separately, solve it separately. Last part, combine the value of x. Okay, if you whoever has done can leave. Attend at 11:30 tomorrow. That's it for today, students. Yes, bye all of you all. You all can leave. Can leave.